Namaste to all you cosmic souls. Welcome to your reading today. Today we're going to learn or understand how to tap into your personal intuition. And along with that, we are also working towards finding out what exactly your career or life purpose in any sense stands for you and how exactly that is going to turn out. Not in the sense of future, but in the sense of guidance, how you can work on it or move towards it. Okay? We are doing readings on YouTube every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. Sunday readings will have a free personal reading, so you can leave your name in the comment section of any video of this week, either Tuesday or last Sunday's video as well. Okay, so let us just begin with today's reading and see what is the kind of intuition that we need to tap into. For this Lightseer deck, I will not be reading reversals, I think. Yeah, okay. So we have the Two of Cups first. So what it is saying is that tap into the intuition of being, not only with yourself but also with another. You are sharing this energy with another person and tapping into the intuition of both of you all together. It's not just you, meaning it's not just your masculine or feminine energy, but it is also the other person's energy connecting with you. And this doesn't necessarily have to be a lover. It could be, of course, but it doesn't necessarily have to be a lover. It can also just be a friend, a soulmate, or anybody else for that matter. Whoever you're connecting with, you're tapping into this certain kind of intuition with yourself as well as this other person. All right? Now, when you are looking towards understanding where you are or where you are coming, where you are going, you kind of, don't necessarily look at where you are going in the sense of future, and instead look at it as if where you are growing towards. Okay? So we do see a lot of crows on top, ravens, right? So they do signify a very strong sense of transformation. And it also signifies a kind of a direction that you're going into, which is kind of a bumpy ride, there are ups and downs. You may be going through a high right now, but later on you can already feel the difference in energy that you're moving towards as you are changing, and you can feel it very, very significantly. And that is why, that is because you are tapping into this very, very strong intuition that you are bringing within yourself, which is very important for you at this time and all of us. So stand your ground, keep grounding yourself, ground your thoughts, so you're able to understand the space that you are moving into. Okay, we have a lot of cloudy days, a lot of rainy days. Maybe it's sunny for some of you, I don't know who, because there's a lot of rain everywhere for most of us, or it's really, really cold. So I would just suggest that understand what you are growing towards rather than what you are going towards. Okay, it's not all about your future, it's about you and how you are going there within yourself, within the growth that you are going through. Do you understand the space that you are in? Are you enjoying the space that you are in? Are you enjoying the celebration of yourself, the celebration of understanding, the celebration of just being yourself, just being the person that you are, finding that creative energy, you have that creative energy within yourself, and this is something that you are allowed, or you can enjoy if you really want to. It's not something that you have to work for, it's something that just comes because it's just there. It is there within you. It is there within the person that you are becoming. It is there within all of the energy around you. So try to find that out. Try to understand what exactly this is, or what exactly is happening anyway. I'm sorry if the camera glitches. That is because the device is at a very high temperature, so it keeps glitching from time to time. So I apologize in advance for that. Next, about tapping into your intuition, what we have is the Six of Swords. And what I see is a lot of movement, a lot of ups and downs, a lot of, it's like your growth, the person that you are growing into is kind of pulling you into a certain direction. It's literally pulling you towards it. So it's not something you even have to, put too much effort into, because that's already happening. It's already a part of you. It's already something that is giving you the guidance, and you are moving towards it whether you know it or not. So that's what I kind of enjoy in this intuitive space that we are going through. It's up to you. Like whatever direction you choose to go into, it's completely up to you. The answer is yes. You do have, let's see the next card, romance. Okay, what? So you do have romance coming up. So this intuition we're tapping into within the two people could very possibly kind of include romance or a romantic relationship. There's celebration, and then we have the horse spirit, a very high, someone with a very high libido or a very high sensual spirit. And I don't know, it's kind of like this is shy energy, is very exciting, and it's all you. Okay, you are this amazingly sensual person, sexual person, a very attractive person, and not only in your physical appearance, but in your energy, the way you are, the person that you are. I'm just checking the heat of my device because it just keeps. If you believe this to be true, then it is true. It's going to be true because you believe that it is true. And that's all it is. We have, I don't know why Archangel Metatron came into my mind, mostly because of the Merkaba symbol that I saw here. By the way, if you're getting a Christmas gift box, a Christmas New Year gift box, then some of you may get a Merkaba, a really big, beautiful Merkaba. Oh my God, I'm so excited for that. The gift boxes will be linked in the bio, so do check it out, okay? I am super excited for it, and I'm really, really excited for anyone who's going to be booking it. Honestly, I'm very excited about it. Anyway, we have, if you believe, because there's, there's energy all around us. There's energy everywhere. There's so much energy in this space right now, in the space that you are sitting, and the space around it has so much energy. So what exactly is this energy telling you? Where exactly is this energy coming from? Are you able to understand it? Are you able to accept it? Okay, now I'm just going to, first we're going to pick a few cards to understand your career, where it is going, and really understand the intuitive nature of your career. And before we go into that, just keep conscious breath and understand the power of exhalation. The power of exhalation can help you meditate on your thoughts. Basically, meditate in the sense that you don't even have to think about anything. You just inhale, exhale. I literally do this in every video because it makes me feel so good, and I'm 100% sure if you just exhale a few times, you're going to see the difference yourself. You're going to understand the difference yourself, and you're going to see the power of exhalation and what it can do for you. Everything that you are manifesting, everything that you are thinking about, all of this can come into existence just by the power of exhalation. Maybe I should do a course on this, because maybe I will do a course on this. That's a really good idea. Thank you if some of you thought of that. I don't know where this idea popped up from. Oracle cards. Okay. So maybe some of you are drawn to pick oracle cards for yourself. You're able to discern answers and guidance for yourself or others. So some of you watching this may be tarot readers or oracle readers yourself, or some of you may be wanting to do it, maybe not tarot but oracle cards for sure, because they are all guidance cards, like these cards here, your life purpose cards deck and the angel answers card deck, or even the angel answers card deck, the first oracle card deck I've ever gotten. That is a very, very powerful way of understanding where you are, and it helped me through a lot. That's actually how I got into what I do today. So if you are drawn to it, I would suggest get your first oracle deck. You can always ask me for guidance on which oracle deck you should get for yourself, and I'm always here to help you. I'll be really glad to help you, honestly. Okay, you are becoming more sensitive and need to make changes accordingly. This whole video is about intuition, so your intuition is going to guide you. I would suggest keeping a clear quartz or a smoky quartz. You know what, I'm going to make a wand like this, and maybe I'm going to do it. Okay, so we have clear quartz and smoky quartz. These two crystals will probably be very, very beneficial for all of you in understanding your intuition and really tapping into it in a way that you're able to understand yourself and also understand everything that's going on around you. Okay, I think that's it for this reading. So powerful. All of the answers just came together all at once. We also have these rose quartz towers, which are absolutely beautiful. The energy is amazing. I will link this also down below. We just have, I think, 1 or 2 pieces left, so do check them out. And that is all. Remember to leave your name in the comment section below, or if you want a personal reading for December or guidance on the next few months, I am offering that as well. Well, thank you for sharing your energy with me today. Sending you so much love and so much light. Namaste.